So hey guys, good morning. And today I'll talk about the AWS. Now, usually what happen every year AWS release their survey, and from the first quarter of the year they are doing the survey, and every year they are releasing the services. They starting from the 23 and 24, and now this 25 survey are running. If you want to enroll the survey, like whoever use the AWS services, so they are have to they'll give the mail of the survey. So I do, and it say ki whenever the survey is open, you will notify. So you can notify by in 2025. So what usually happen ki survey is like there are a lot of thousand customer using the AWS services. Which service are using in 2024 is high. So it will give the static of the services. So just yesterday I get to know that the release service of 24 is just released. So if you see view the 2024 result, the survey is live. So we can check into that. So it will give the high level view in the entire global which people are using, which service is very favorite of the people. So we got to know okay, people are using this service, this is not trending, this is trending. So we can understand from that. So the site, you can see the answer for AWS, and yeah, this is the page. So let's just get deep dive into that. So it say key participant who was 29% from the last year, a total is the 426. So yeah, इतने लोगों ने ज्यादा फिलअप किया. Obviously it's like very hectic to get filled out the form, but let's say that the people are getting the review what they are seeing. So yeah, in the notice it say the most loved AWS service is SQS. Obviously SQS is the queue services which is the favorite, because whenever you use serverless or any queue, uh, FIFO, first in first out method, then this is the most necessary. AWM SAM is overtaken by original serverless framework. Yeah, SAM is the serverless framework, as you know, and this is very useful when uh, like running the infrastructure. The most polarizing service is the CloudFormation. Oh, CloudFormation is 30% of the respondents who do not use it ever again, while 50 using would. So usually, the method say ki you don't use the CloudFormation in the production or that environment, because that is not good practice. But here people are using CloudFormation. That's amazing. GitHub Action wins every metrics in the CICD. Yeah, so that thing is called GitHub Action in the pipeline. The CICD continuous integration and continuous development. So GitHub Action is now is trending. You should know how to do deployment, all the push pull request. So obviously 23 is the OpenAI year, and OpenAI was taken the spot away from the Amazon SageMaker. So yeah, Amazon SageMaker is going to be less trending nowadays. AWS has launched the Bedrock and the Code Whisper. So that is going on. Bedrock has a good lot of model Llama index, Cynthia, and all the index. You can create a lot of LLM models from that, foundational models. Europe top of the charts, beating North America for number of surveys. Oh, Europe people are giving a lot of reviews. Mm-hmm. Let's go. Now go one by one. First is the infrastructure. So infrastructure as a code. People, as you can see, people liking AWS Cloud Formation. This is usage, retention, awareness. Now Terraform also is you can see the from DevOps side, it's people liking the most, but people interest is in the CDK, which is AWS CDK. That's good. So yeah, interest is CDK is going on the top, which is 64%. If you go in alphabetically rank, now this is a good presentation, like in terms of statistic. So they are giving the release this chart and graph. This is all the AWS quick site effect, if you know. So yeah, trending over the years. So CDK is the 60 to 65. That is great. Now the if you see this one, the Terraform is going down. Yeah, and the CloudFormation CDK Terraform CDK. Yeah, so that is increasing, going down. What is the, yeah, you can see formation is like 35 to going down in the rank. Yeah, and Ansible is going up. Great. So yeah, that is interest. You can see the uses in terms of, so formation is like going raw in the 24, and yes, Terraform is going same, remaining same. CDK is going up. That's good. Now this is the how they be able to calculation. This is the sum of the equation. So let's see the positive negative splits. Uh, if you see the Terraform got good positive, CDK is interest in learning and would use again. People are saying, yeah, negative is like ops work. Oh my god, ops work, if you know. So people don't like follow me or Ansible. So majority are like Terraform, CloudFormation, and CTK. Happiness, happiness. Only recently, 2 days back, the happiness index is the research is going on. I mean, the index is released, and Nordic countries are the first, as always. Happiness with the current sales in IAC. So if you see this one, 49%. Yeah. So this is like infrastructure as a code. Let's see the CICD. Now uses GitHub action. Oh my God, that's great. Second number Jenkins, which is always good in the DevOps side. Now people, let's prefer cold build, cold pipeline, cold deploy, inbuilt AWS developer. So yeah, because Jenkins and GitHub action is good featured if you see in terms of the flexibility and the feature side, because they have you know good interface. So yeah, GitHub action is good, and that should be your goal to learn in the upcoming time. Interest is people have Amazon Code Catalyst. That's good. I have to learn this one. I haven't seen this in Code Catalyst, but people are seeing interest in Code Catalyst. Nice. GitLab, which is also the old one. So yeah, GitHub action is going to roar in CI/CD. Trend over the usage, Jenkins is going less, and now if you see GitHub action is going to increasing. That's great. If you see on a serverless, which is my favorite, and the SAM is going on the taking the place, and similarly 52.5% CDK. So yeah, and same like CDK and the SAM. So trend over the year is like if you see uh this serverless framework is going down 50 to 52%. Now this one CDK and SAM is going raw up. Yeah, CDK is like heart of the AWS. Let's see the container, which is the ECS. So yeah, that's a great 84.5%, Fargate serverless side. So yeah, EKS is 56.8%. Also, Lambda is running for container if you don't know. So yeah, so this is the four major one. ECS Fargate. So yeah, people have interest in the Lambda. Oh, that's great for running container Fargate and ECS. That's nice. EKS is gonna be down. It's so complex configuration. So yeah, ECS Fargate is gonna be people interest. So ECS is gonna be take Create, Docker, and Elastic Container Services. NoSQL database, which is DynamoDB, obviously. Blindly, you can guess the DynamoDB. 87.5%, Elasticsearch, OpenSearch, top three. Yeah, Elasticsearch rate is. And yeah, people don't like this Red Neptune, which is graph-based database, Cassandra. They're not using in that one. So yeah, uses is DynamoDB, which is roaring up. But remember, guys, if you using DynamoDB for NoSQL, so it's preferably the costly side. Now for learning DynamoDB, I have the guy name is called the Alex Debris. Debris for DynamoDB. This is the hero of the DynamoDB, and he has author of the DynamoDB book, which is you can learn from there, and you can each and everything about the DynamoDB, the NoSQL database. So yeah, he is active on the you can say the Twitter and Alex Trebby. This is his website. So this is your guy for learning the DynamoDB. So yeah, it's a good. And nowadays is most people are using for NoSQL database. Elasticsearch, this is going somehow down. OpenSearch, Elasticsearch, yeah, 54 60%. Now, if you go to event-driven architecture, obviously SNS SQS is the major, and event-driven is the top three. Eventually, people like DynamoDB streams and Kinesis. Yeah, these are the streaming services. So people using that much. SNS SQS and event-based. So these are the Kafka is going down. MSK, yeah. So the step function is going up. That's good. Even one thing, if you are in learning a serverless and you want to learn AWS Lambda, then there is one author. It's called Yan Kui. Yan Kui is the AWS hero of the Lambda. Yeah, he is very active on the Twitter side, and he has the channel. It's called the Burning Mock. So you can no, not this one. He has yeah, this one. So he is very good in the lambda and serverless side. He is the hero, and he give you detail, each and every detail about the uh you know everything. So yeah, you can see lambda stand function and function URLs, API gateway, all the things. So this is your guide to learn the lambda. So let us go our table. Let's just see the AI and ML. So obviously OpenAI is the now chat. Obviously people are using GPT. Even I'm using GPT most of the time, because that is time, uh, save the time and give a quick prompt. And SageMaker is going down. Recognition, Bedrock is going popularity, text stack. Now you can see SageMaker is going down. OpenAI is gaining the bar. So yeah, somehow this poly is going down, very very down. uh, yeah, so OpenAI is from, as you know, Azure side, so people are using Azure more compared to AWS. But definitely AWS is going be a lot of releasing the services like the Bedrock and the Whisper. Demographics, let's see. So most of the people give review from Europe. Asia is 70% from India. Africa, what is 0%? Antarctica 0%. Okay, the North America, that's good. The age people, I came in this bracket, 25%, very less in this one, 90 to 24, 1%. But yeah, people don't aware about these things, so when they get awareness by day. So this bracket is very high. These are like the people from principal architect, or the expert guys in cloud or platform services. So yeah, and you can see 6 to 10 years, which is preferably. Now I am come in this bracket. So yep. So company size and so yeah, this is cool, nice. Survey. You got to know every year which people are using the service and which their interest is and usage is. So most of this software development, financial service, professional services role is developer, engineer. Yeah. So these are the all surveys of the 2024. If you want to be part of the 25, you can fill out this service and you can use the entire survey from AWS side. So this is nice. You got to know which service is in demand and what people are using surrounding. So that's it from my side, and yeah, I'll coming with the next video um, with exciting stuff. So